Now we're going to learn how to use continue and break keyword in Java. Consider we have a for loop. So int I equal to 0, I lesser than 10, I plus plus, right? So that means, this is pretty straightforward. We have a for loop which is going to run from 0 to what, 10. That means 0 to 9, right? It's going to print 0 to 9, right? So I'm going to print what? System.out.println. So I'm printing what, I, right? Now consider what is the use of actually what, continue. Now, let me use what, the if condition. I'm going to say if the I value equal to 5, I'm going to say do what, continue, right? What is the meaning of that? Let me run this program. You'll get an idea. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you have a 4. But where is the 5? The 5 is missing, right? The continue is a kind of a keyword. Whenever the I equal to 5, in the iteration, I want to skip only the 5. If you want to do such operation, the continue would be what, very good option. Right? So whereas, let's actually understand quickly what is the break will do. Let me actually convert the continue into what, break. Let me run this program. We'll see what is going to happen. So here we go. So we are getting the output as what, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after the 4, nothing is printed. So what is the understanding here? The simple for loop terminate this iteration. Then when the I is reaches to what, 5, I want this entire iteration to be breaked. Then I want to come out from the loop. If you want to do such operation, the break would be what, the best option to do that. So I believe now you understood what is the difference between continue and then what, break. How can we use them as part of your Java programming language?